I'm Mercy Salinas, VP of Sales, and it's already been over 20 years at Cable and Wireless Technologies, an employee-owned company. Since 2008, we've established DiscountLowVoltage.com as an e-commerce site to provide easy online ordering 24/7, 365 with immediate access to all relevant drawings and manuals. Customer service is our #1 priority, and with over 2,000 reviews and a 4.75 out of 5-star rating, we prove it. Customers supported by over 1,000 YouTube videos with over 4 million views. Visit the Resource Center for blog and tech articles, and technical staff awaits at 888-797-3697. DLV products ship to over 40 countries for network installation contractors, building facility managers, military agencies, school districts, oil and gas industry contractors, and Fortune 500 companies worldwide. Everything sold is 100% guaranteed. We accept returns during the first 30 days after your order is shipped, excluding cable cuts and custom assemblies. We also offer custom pre-terminated fiber optic cable assemblies. Our cable builder makes it easy for you to order any length, mode, type, and you can have them certified. Thank you for placing your order with us. We look forward to supporting you for many years to come. Later.